Observations, match number 10, underway here on Daly. The 15-second autonomous period. Early strikes on both sides of the field, but both scale attempts do miss. Here in the center of the arcade, it stays even, as do our scores coming out of the autonomous period. Red takes the slight advantage, but both alliances snag the auto run for the ranking point. Now it's 145 in control for the Red Alliance. They have a cube up in the air, 337, their alliance partners, the hard-working Hard Hats, will beat them to it as the team from Norwich tries to deliver, but it falls just shy. Rounding out Red, 35-34's turn, it misses just wide, and Blue has an advantage now to take control. Another miss from Blue, and the scale keeps going back and forth. Red looks like they are securing ownership now as they start accruing points at double the rate of Blue. 1468, adding some more assurance for the Blue Alliance in their own switch. The Jaybirds now on the far side of the arcade, and that will be a feat to try to overcome if Red decides to play some defense there. Well over 1 minute left in play here in match number 10, 139 to 101. And our first power-up being played by the Red Alliance. It's going to be a levitate, courtesy of the 337 machine running those power cubes back behind driver station lines. Red Alliance continues to pour on the cubes here on the far side of the arcade. 35-34, adding another one, starting a second row of cubes here as 145 doing work here in the platform zone. A little bump from their alliance partners to get themselves unstuck. They seem to be okay. 623 continuing to whittle away at this mound of stacks. Another cube falls for the Red Alliance with just over a half a minute left here in match number 10. Blue with catch-up work to do, about 60 points of difference. And only one power-up played here in match number 10. 623 back at the scale. That seems to do the difference as the Oakton Cougar Robotics team takes ownership for the Blue Alliance, and they start cutting the deficit now. Back-to-back power-ups. Red using their level 1 boost, and Blue using a levitate. Red Alliance getting denied any ownership points from the switch. 5 seconds left to climb up. Blue Alliance with the advantage as time expires here. A really great effort from that Blue Alliance to try and bring this back. Official scores coming up next. Scores are in. Here they come on the board. It is the Blue Alliance who takes the victory here in match number 10. The score 306 to 259. Despite the loss, Red will go home with 1 ranking point for the auto run, and Blue Alliance takes